Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zendesk Sell CRM fields for accurate customer data, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Zendesk Sell CRM fields for accurate customer data, start by logging into your Zendesk Sell account. Navigate to the settings menu, usually found in the bottom left corner. Select the Customize option from the settings menu. Click on Fields to access the custom field management. Review the existing fields to determine which ones you need to customize or add. For adding a new field, click on the Add Custom Field button. Choose the appropriate field type based on the data you wish to capture. Fill in the required field details, including the name and description. Decide whether the new field should be visible to all users or restricted to specific teams. Set any necessary validation rules to ensure data accuracy. Click Save once you have completed the field setup. Next, return to the Fields page to rearrange the order of your custom fields. Drag and drop the fields into your desired order for easier access. If you want to edit an existing field, click the Edit icon next to the field name. Make the necessary changes and ensure all updates align with your data collection objectives. Save your changes and review how the fields appear on the contact page. Test your newly configured fields by adding or editing a contact. Enter sample data to confirm that the fields are capturing information correctly. Take note of any adjustments needed for optimal performance. Ensure team members are aware of the changes to the fields and how to use them effectively. Encourage feedback from team members to continuously improve data accuracy. Regularly review and update fields as your business needs evolve. Now your Zendesk Sell CRM is set up for accurate customer data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.